Hey, it's John, and just wanted to do another A2 hosting review. And this time I want to talk about A2 hosting's support. So I've done an overview video that you should take a look at if you haven't seen it yet. And then I did a couple other videos. One where I talked about their speed claims, because that is one of the main things they really tout is fast web hosting. And check that video out to see, is it fact, is it fiction, are they really as fast as they say they are? And then also I talked another video about some of the unique security features that A2 offers that other hosts, do provide, but you actually have to manually implement those security features where A2 does a lot of it for you. So in this one, I want to address their support because those are kind of the big things with any hosting company. You want to make sure they have good speed. You want to make sure that security is there for your site. And then you also want to make sure they have good support because nothing more frustrating than having your site go down or having a problem and you can't get your needs addressed. So support is very important, and I want to talk about A2's support here. So here we are, on their homepage, and you can they have actually several different ways to contact them and get support, which is part of what I really like about them. So from their homepage, right top center, sales and support. Obviously you don't need sales, you just need some support. Or like most websites, when you scroll all the way to the bottom, they have a support section here. But simplest thing to do is just click this and that'll open up this page here. And they have a really extensive knowledge base, so you can search the KB, which is knowledge base. So just type in a keyword, hit search, or you can look at the knowledge base under specific topics. And they have a great blog. They have a lot of really good FAQs, frequently asked questions about different aspects of your hosting. Super helpful. Again, some other just guides or tutorials. So how to just getting started if you're not used to how to use cPanel. What are the security enhancements that A2 offers? So some of those things. And then here it comes down to what I really like is they offer several different ways that you can contact them. Their support is based in the United States, so you're going to be speaking with someone from the United States when you contact them, and they have different options. And to be honest, I can't say if I've called them before or not. I really just do this, the live chat. The live chat, they typically respond fairly quickly. They let you know, they have a queue number, so they let you know where you are in the queue, how many people are ahead of you. And usually I get a response within 5 minutes for sure. Rarely has it gone more than 5 minutes. And almost always I've had my questions, my issues, my concerns addressed during that chat. And then at the end of the chat, when you're done, you can have a transcript of the chat emailed to you so that you can reference that later if you need to as well. Now, obviously you can submit an online ticket to get support, so that's a way to do it. You can call them and you can do the live chat, and then they have a support email as well. So several different ways that you can get in touch with them. Again, I think their support is top-notch. They respond quickly, they resolve issues. I like that their support is based in the United States. And so those are all, again, just big pluses of why I really like A2 hosting. So not only do they have great speed, because they do, and so check out that video if you have any questions about their speed. They have really good security features, and again, unique to A2, especially if you're doing WordPress websites. They do several things to optimize the site that are unique to A2 that you don't get with other hosting. And then I think they have really good support. I've been very happy with their support. No complaints at all with their support. So I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoy these videos, feel free to like the video if you would, please. Also go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to get some regular updates out here. I wanted to start just by getting things going with A2, but I'll be putting up some reviews of other hosting platforms, some different online products that I really like, and things that have helped me with success. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and keep watching. Thanks. Have a good day.